everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and today's video is a haul video. I'm doing a haul video after the longest time because I don't shop much. I know given my profession, it seems like I do shop a lot, but that's not the case. I believe in saving money and buy things that are absolutely necessary. So in the last few weeks, I bought some things, some clothes, some accessories, and some makeup products, some skincare products, and all of that from different brands all across. So I thought of just sitting down and compiling all of that in one video and show it all to you guys as well in case you want to buy any of these similar products. Let's start with the clothes first because that's the most interesting part. First up, we have H&M. Now, I love basics from H&M because they just get it right. It's affordable, it's good quality. Now, I got these pair of straight fit denims from H&M because I wanted a new pair of jeans. This one just fits me right. It is perfect length. It complements my body type and the price was pretty good too. Plus it's very comfortable as well, and that's a win-win situation in a jeans, I would say. So yeah, H&M does like really good jeans if you want to get one. The next thing is this skater skirt from H&M. Now I wanted like a white skater skirt from the longest time because it's so versatile and you can literally style it in so many different ways. I got this at a very good price because H&M had sale and I got this for under 500 rupees, which was a steal deal, I feel like. And next I got this tank top, like a basic black tank top, because the one that I had before this, it was kind of faded and old. So I wanted like a new one because you can never have enough black basic tops. It goes with everything. That's why I just bought this one and it was for like 300, 400, something like that. So again, very affordable, good quality, fits me perfectly. Next, I have this cap from H&M. I just want to collect as many as possible. It's just a thing about me. And this one I saw on H&M and I just instantly fell in love because it's white. The material is very nice and different. I don't have anything like that and it just looks super chic and super cool as well. So I kind of asked my sister to get this as a part of my birthday gift, which is coming up. Next up, we have Westside. So Westside had a youth sale going on from 1st of Jan to 31st of Jan. I just love their collection. Sometimes like some pieces are really nice. So I got myself this night suit set. It's very cute print, cute color. I don't have anything fun, pink and just bright when it comes to night suits. I usually have all the boring colors. So this is a fresh change and I absolutely love how it looks on me and how cute this is. Then we have this shirt. So this is like a white shirt. It is not a plain white shirt. It has like embroidery all over it and it's from Westside again. It just took my heart because it was white and it's a shirt, it's versatile, and got a pretty good deal on this one. It was for like around 1,000 rupees. So yeah, a win-win situation. Plus it looks super smart when you style it properly. Next up, we have a couple of things from Jockey. So again, Jockey had a sale going on and their stuff is so good, like good quality material, and it's super comfortable for like just to lounge in. That's why I picked up these shorts from Jockey. Very nice pink color and it has like small birds all over it, which is such a cute print and I am in love with this. It's the perfect length, it fits me right and it just looks nice. Then again, I have another cap. So I saw this at the Jockey store and I had to like get this for myself. It says USA Originals and it's from Jockey. I love the color scheme that's going on. Great for like outdoor activities and stuff like that. So I just had to like pick this up and add it to my collection. Next, we have something from Mango. So I wanted like a denim jacket from the longest time. I was not finding the one, but then I found this on Myntra, I think, and it's from Mango. It's just perfect, okay? Like it's the right length, it fits me perfectly, and it's super comfortable. The material is really good and durable. So even though it was a little pricey, I think it's worth the money because it's very sturdy. And again, a denim jacket is kind of like a versatile piece in your wardrobe. You can never have enough ways to style it. So that's why I just had to get this one. Plus, look how beautiful, like the shade of this denim is so So beautiful. Next, I have a homegrown brand. So I was looking for like a short kurti with like full sleeves and very cutesy vibe from the longest time, but I couldn't find one. The ones that I was finding were really expensive and just I felt it's not worth the money because I don't wear kurtis that often. But then right before our Udaipur trip in December, I found this brand on Instagram and they had such pretty designs and everything so pretty. So I had to get my hands on this one from label Tagai. Now it's a very small brand based in Jaipur. So if you want to get your hands on something like this, then do definitely like check them out on Instagram and place your orders because let's support small Indian homegrown brands because why not? Next we have Zara. Now usually I shop a lot from Zara, but this time I was a little mindful and I did not spend my money in one store. So I picked up only 3 things to be precise. I have this one top which is like a basic striped top sort of situation. It's a little on the dressier front, so I think this will look good with like a good pair of denims and good pair of trousers and stuff like that. So I just picked it up because again stripes never go out of fashion and the color itself is like black and white, so very very basic. I would suggest that if you are shopping from Zara, then either go for like really basic stuff or go for like really extravagant stuff because they do both things right, I feel like. Next up we have like a dress. It's black in color. It's the basic black dress that everyone should have and I just fell in love with the overall design of this. Like the back looks so good, it's super sexy yet sophisticated and it's just perfect. I got a pretty good deal on this one, so I just picked it up without even thinking because you can never go wrong with a basic black dress. The next one that I'm going to show you is a probable birthday outfit. So I'm not going to try it on, really sorry about that. It's nice and brown in color. So this color is really trendy right now and that's why I just had to pick it up. Plus this pattern is very new for me. I've never worn something like this. So I thought that maybe it can pass for like a birthday outfit sort of situation. And with that, we're done with clothes and accessories. Now we have some skincare products and some makeup products that I'm going to show you very quickly. First up, we have this underarm roll-on. It's by Chemist at Play and it's very famous if you don't know already. This one has like 5% AHAs and vitamin C, so it works really well to control the body odor and stuff like that. I absolutely love using this on an everyday basis, so I kind of like, this is kind of a refill for me. Next, I have this really fancy sort of a serum from Hyphen. Now it's blue in color. I know I've spoken about this before in my previous video as well. It's the Power Peptides Cocktail Serum and this seemed like a very new product to me and kudos to Hyphen for like, you know, formulating the newest and the most exciting products, like something that I would want to try. So hydrating, like I use it in my PM skincare routine and I wake up with like really plump and hydrated skin. So I've been loving using this one and you can see like we've already finished so much. Next up we have 2 perfumes. So this one is from Miniso. It's a great everyday perfume, I would say. Like Miniso has come up with like a huge perfume collection. You have so much options to choose from, which is a great thing. So if you want something to wear daily, then you can definitely check out Miniso. This one is called Winter Song and it's great everyday perfume. As you can see, we've used it almost 50%. Second one that we got is from Zara. It's called Tuberose and it's such a nice subtle fragrance which I absolutely love. Next up, we have a color corrector from this brand called House of Makeup. Now I have not used any other products from this particular brand, but I heard like great reviews about this particular product. I had to try it out because I have a lot of dark circles and I need a color corrector under my concealer to kind of conceal everything, and it works perfectly. It's very blendable. You just need a little bit of product and it's enough. Plus it's very affordable too, so if you want to get like a good color corrector, then definitely check out House of Makeup. Next we have a concealer from K Beauty. Now this one I heard like great reviews about this, but to my surprise it's not great coverage. Like it doesn't give you great coverage. Not even like basic coverage, I would say. This product is kind of a fail for me personally. It doesn't help me with my dark circles and any kind of dark spots on my face. It doesn't do its job properly, which is kind of like the whole point. And I feel like it's overly priced for what they're offering. And there are tons of other brands that are doing better concealers in the market in the same price range. So, and lastly, we have this loose powder again from K Beauty, and I bought these 2 together. But unfortunately, this also disappointed me in a way because I don't see a wow factor about this product. It's like any other loose powder in the market. There's no differentiating factor for me in this particular product, so I don't think it's worth the hype personally. And on that note, I'm going to end this haul video. I hope it was not too long, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and comment below and pick your favorite product out of all of these. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.